Last month, I cancelled Adobe. I cancelled Grammarly. I cancelled my transcription app. I cancelled my SEO tool. I cancelled my video editing subscription. That's over 180 a year gone. And here's the thing, my output didn't drop. It actually got better because I replaced every single one of them with free AI tools, tools that work in Nigeria, tools you can start using today. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what I switched to, why it works, and how to do it yourself. My name is Marco Daniel, and if you're a Nigerian or African professional, student, creator, or business owner who's tired of paying dollar prices for software on a salary, then this video is for you. Stay with me because by the end of this, your entire workflow changes. Let me show you what these tools actually cost a Nigerian in 2026. Adobe Creative Suite, the one every designer, video editor, and content creator is told they need. That's $55 a month. Grammarly Premium, $30 a month. Ahrefs or SEM. If you're trying to grow a business online, people tell you to use these. $100 a month. Microsoft 365. Figma Pro, Final Cut Pro. Add it all up and you're looking at software bills that would make sense if you are in dollars. But most of us aren't. And here's the part that makes this genuinely unfair. These aren't luxury tools. These are professional tools. The kind of tools that determine whether your work looks professional or amateur. Whether you get the client or you don't. Whether you get the promotion or you don't. For years, the message to African professionals was simple. Pay the dollar price or fall behind. That message is now dead because AI just flipped the entire table. And I'm going to prove it to you right now. Here's what changed. In the last 2 years, AI tools have become so capable, so fast, and so accessible that they now replicate 80 to 90% of what these expensive platforms do for free. Not sort of free. Not free trial for 7 days, actually free, with no card required. And unlike pirate software, which I'm not going to advise, these tools are legal, they work from a Nigerian IP address, and they don't require a foreign credit card. Now, I want to be honest with you, and this is important. These tools don't replace every single feature. If you're a professional photographer doing high-end retouching work, Photoshop still has specific capabilities AI hasn't fully matched. But for 95% of what most African professionals, students, creators, and business owners actually do, in some cases, they're actually better. Let me show you one by one. We're going through 7 categories. By the end, you'll have a full professional workflow that costs you nothing. Let's go. Replacing Adobe Photoshop. The most common reason most people pay for Adobe: photo editing, background removal, social media design, thumbnails. Adobe themselves have a free AI image generation tool. You don't need to pay for Creative Suite to access it. Go to Firefly, sign in with a free account, and you get monthly for AI generation. For design, social media, thumbnails, background editing, and visual content, Canva AI and these tools replace 90% of what the average Nigerian uses Photoshop for. Cancel it. Replacing Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me ask you something. How many of you are already using CapCut? Because if you are, you already know that it does about 80% of what Premiere Pro does for free. But here's what most people don't know. CapCut now has AI features built in that Premiere Pro charges extra for. Watch, I drop this video clip in. One click, AI captions ready. This used to cost $30 a month with tools like free in CapCut right now. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Runway ML is an AI video tool that does something Premiere Pro still. Watch this. I'm going to remove this background from a video clip. No green screen, no studio. Did you see that? That's AI doing in 30 seconds. Used to require expensive studio equipment and a whole post-production setup. Runway more than enough to test it properly. And for podcasters and anyone doing talking head videos, lets you edit video by editing the transcript. Delete a word in the text. That section disappears from the video. It's one of the most impressive tools in this entire list. Free tier works in Nigeria. Replacing Grammarly Premium, I want to say something that might surprise you. Claude, which you can use for free right now, does not just compete with Grammarly. It's better than Grammarly for most professional writing tasks. And I'm going to prove that right now on screen. Here's a paragraph of rough writing. The kind of thing you'd write in a hurry. Let me paste it into Grammarly first. Now let me paste the same paragraph into Claude with this prompt. Rewrite this to sound more professional and persuasive, while keeping my voice. Compare them side by side. Grammarly fixed and rewrote the thinking. There's a significant difference there. And this is the thing people miss. Grammarly tells you what's wrong with your writing. Claude helps you say what you actually meant. For students writing assignments, Claude. For professionals writing emails, proposals, reports, Claude. For content creators writing scripts, is also worth keeping open for quick sentence rewrites. It's a lighter tool when you need a fast alternative. Go to Claude AI, create a free account, start today, replacing Excel advanced add-ons plus data analytics tools. This one is going to shock some of you, especially if you work with data, run a business, or manage any kind of numbers. Most people think Claude is a writing tool. What they don't know is that Claude is also one of the most powerful data analysis tools available for free. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to paste a spreadsheet into Claude. This is real sales data, product names, dates, revenues, regions, messy. And now I'm going to ask Claude, analyze this data. Tell me which product is performing best, which region is underperforming, what the month-on-month trend looks like, and give me 3 recommendations. Look at this output. It identified the top product. It flagged the underperforming region and gave a possible reason. It spotted the trend and told me what it means. It gave me 3 specific actionable recommendations. This is the kind of analysis that used to require a data analyst, Excel expertise, and a paid analytics platform. Claude just did it in 30 seconds. From a pasted spreadsheet, for free, for business owners running SMEs in Nigeria. Stop paying for analytics software you don't fully know how to use. Start pasting your data into Claude and asking the right questions. This alone could change how you run your business. Replacing with Figma AI, Canva AI, user designers, this one is for you. And also for any entrepreneur who needs a website or app mockup but can't afford a designer right now. Figma is the industry standard for UI and UX design. But here's what changed. Figma AI can now generate a complete professional website from a text prompt. I'm not talking about real, design, responsive website. Watch what I type. Create a landing page for a Nigerian tech consulting company. Professional, dark theme, with a hero section, services, and a contact form. A full website, from a sentence, in under 60 seconds. Now, can you customize this further? Yes. Is it the same as a senior Figma designer with 5 years of experience? No. But for landing pages, portfolio sites, app mockups, pitch deck visuals, this is more than enough. And it's free to start. Lets you draw a rough sketch on paper, take a photo, and it converts it into a digital wireframe automatically. Developers and product managers, you know how valuable that is. And Canva AI for social media design and marketing assets. The design quality on Canva's AI features in 2026 is genuinely impressive. Templates, brand kits, AI-generated visuals, all on the free plan. For most design work in Nigeria, startups, creators, SMEs, freelancers, Figma AI, Canva, and Uizard replace the need for Figma Pro. And for those of you who are Figma Power users, the free tier of Figma still covers a lot. The Pro subscription, most people don't need it. Replacing Google Transcription, whisper-based tools, quick one, but important. If you record meetings, interviews, lectures, or you need transcription, here's what to use instead. Tactiq plugs directly into Google Meet and Zoom. It transcribes your meeting in real time. Free tier, works now. For audio files, upload directly to Claude. Claude can process audio and give you a clean transcript and a meeting summary. What were the key decisions made? What are the action items? One prompt, one tool, no subscription. For students, Google's built-in live caption feature and the free tier of various whisper-based tools handle lecture recordings, interviews, and voice notes. This is one of the easiest switches on this list. Low effort to change, immediate savings. Replacing this last one, this is for the entrepreneurs, the bloggers, the content creators, the people who've been told they need Ahrefs or SEMrush to compete online. Those tools are $100 a month each, and yes, they're powerful. I'm not going to pretend they aren't, but here is the honest truth. Most small businesses and creators in Nigeria are using 10% of what those tools offer, and they're paying for 100% of the subscription. Let me show you what the free alternative looks like. I want to understand what Nigerians are searching for around fintech right now. Watch what gives me. Real questions people are asking. Related topics, context on trends. This is content research that would normally come from an SEMrush keyword report. Now I'm going to take those insights into Claude and ask, based on these search trends, give me 10 YouTube video ideas targeting Nigerian fintech users. Content strategy. Done. Free. 5 minutes. Now, am I saying Perplexity fully replaces it? No. For deep technical SEO, backlink analysis, site audits, paid tools still have an edge, but for content strategy, keyword research, audience understanding, and competitive research, this free combination handles it. And for 90% of Nigerian creators and businesses, that's all you actually need. Keep it in your pocket. Let me bring it all together. Here is your complete free AI stack for 2026. Design, Canva AI plus Remove. BG plus Adobe Firefly. Free tier replaces Adobe Creative Suite, saves 985,000/month. Video editing, CapCut plus Runway ML plus Descript replaces Premiere Pro. Final Cut Pro saves 9. Claude plus Word Tone Free replaces Grammarly Premium, saves 946. Data analysis, Claude replaces Excel add-ons plus analytics platforms, saves 930. 1000 plus Word Tone Free. UI design, Figma AI plus Canva, Uizard replaces Figma Pro, saves 935,000 plus Transcription. Tactiq plus Claude replaces AI Pro plus Rev, saves double 25. SEO and content research, Perplexity AI plus Claude replaces Ahrefs plus SEMrush, saves double 25 month. Total saved over double 436 every single month. That's more than 5 million a year on software that AI just replaced for free. Now here's the honest caveat I promise you. Some of these tools have limits on the free tier. Some will prompt you to upgrade. And in certain professional contexts, high-end film production, advanced technical SEO, senior level design work, the paid tools still have their place. But for the vast majority of professionals, students, creators, and business owners in Nigeria, this stack works. I know because I use it. And I cancelled last month with 0 drop in quality. I want to end this video with something real. For too long, the conversation around tools in Africa has been, we can't afford the good stuff. That conversation is over. Infrastructure, data costs, payment barriers, those are real, and I'm not going to pretend AI solved everything. But right now, today, in 2026, you have access to tools that are genuinely world-class, that work from a Nigerian IP address, that don't require a foreign card, that costs you nothing. The gap between what a professional in Lagos can produce and what a professional in London can produce, it just got a lot smaller. What you do with that is up to you. If this video helped you, I need 2 things. First, subscribe. I post every week specifically for Nigerian and African tech professionals. No fluff, real tools, real strategies, real talk, and I'm just getting started. Second, drop a comment. Tell me which tool on this list you're trying first, or tell me if there's a piece of software you're still paying for that I didn't cover, and I'll do a follow-up video on it. Every comment gets read. Every question gets a reply. The link to everything I mentioned is in the description below. It's all free. No affiliate tricks, no hidden costs on the free tools. I tested them all. Daniel, see you in the next one.